Hello, hello, hello YouTube. Welcome back to Style with Nina. And thank you for staying with me with my series 12 Days of Luxury. Today we on day 4. And yeah, I am excited to bring you guys this spin on the 12 days of Christmas. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and jump into this video. I hope you like my content. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, you guys, I am animated, so I use my hands a lot. So if that annoys you, you may have to, I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, so let me go ahead and jump into this video so that I can make these 12 Days of Luxuries videos very, very quick. But yeah, and again, if you are following my other days, then I'll go ahead and just give you this quick spin. These items were accumulated over a period of time. I have been so busy that I just had a whole bunch of items that I needed to unbox, and I did not want to do a long crazy unboxing. So I thought that this would be a great spin on the 12 Days of Luxury. So yeah, so day 4, let's get into it. Ooh, you know, we love seeing this right here. So yeah, let's see what's on the inside of this amazing situation. Isn't that cute? Well, that's gonna be in the way, so we can't do that. Okay. So yeah, let's see what's inside, you guys. And this is my very first one of these items. I had to hunt this down. I went all the way to Prague, Paris, Amsterdam. Nobody had this. And then surprisingly, when I got back home and called my SA, somebody was supposed to pick this up and they didn't. So, so this is the Louis Vuitton Bandeau, the trunk collection. Let me see if I can find. Do y'all see it? But it's the pink one. I wanted this particular one because I love pink. So yeah, let's see what this is called. And of course, they don't have the name. But yeah, so this is the bandeau, like I said, that I wanted. I don't know. I know it's from the trunk collection. And yeah. What is it? Let me see if it says it. So yeah. Love it, you guys. I'm so excited that I can start my bandeau collections. Well, Louis Vuitton. I have an Hermes Twilly, but this is my first Louis Vuitton bandeau. So that is, I don't know if that's the front or the back, and then that's the other side. So I wanted this one to put, on my Pochette Matisse. So yeah, I'll be adding this beautiful thing onto my Pochette Matisse. It has beautiful colors. It has red, pink, orange. It's just a beautiful, beautiful one. So yeah, I'm excited about this one. I have had this for a ridiculous amount of time. We ain't gonna talk about that. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the 12 Days of Luxury. And I don't know if I can link this below. I don't even know if you can find this one. Because like I said, this was hard to find because it was one of their popular all of their bandeaus are popular, but this particular one, for whatever reason, I believe it's because of the color combination was very, very hard to get. So I will leave the actual name if I can find it somewhere here. So if you're interested in this, you can contact your sales associate and see if she can find this for you. So yeah, so moving on. Oh, let me see what else she put in here. Wait a minute, what else did my essay put in here? Oh, come on. Let's see what's in this here. Oh, okay. She put a perfume sample. But I also have this bag of perfume, so I don't know. I haven't looked through it. But there's just a bag of Louis Vuitton's perfume samples. So that was thoughtful. Okay, well that was cute. Okay, so I got a whole bunch of perfumes to try out or whatever. So again, thanks for watching and stay tuned to day 5 of 12 Days of Luxury. Until next time, you guys, stay stylish and stay fabulous. Mwah.